Today we got some certified Terminator things going on. We got Mr. KMJ, my father's Terminator, 𝘠𝘬𝘭𝘪𝘯𝘬. We got Cody's porting 𝘰𝘩𝘭𝘪𝘯𝘬 MS3 Terminator, a lot like how mine was. We've got Silver Terminator, Andrew selling. Unfortunate, but makes sense. Red Fire one's cooler. S197 Lightning Swap. It's not a Terminator, but I mean, might as well be close enough. You know what I'm saying? Brap, brap. We got the 2-2 Kenny Bell beater Cobra, the Turdinator. Back at it again with another video. We're going to get more into that in a second. This is a 10th anniversary with 30-something thousand miles on it. Beautiful car. It's got a very interesting story. As you can see, that's a fucking amp pile and a half right there. How'd you piss them off? Bad. As you can see, car is absolutely beautiful and gorgeous shape. Literally perfect. Mint 10th anniversary seats. This is a legitimate 10th anniversary Terminator. Yeah, so as you guys may or may not be able to infer, that is a 01 Cobra intake right there. Not designed for this specific application. All Terminators 03 and 04 came factory with superchargers, and this one obviously no longer has a supercharger. Not only does it not have the factory supercharger, it does not have the factory engine. This is a Lincoln Aviator engine in this car right here. Mr. Andrew K is a client of KMJ Motorsports. On behalf of KMJ Motorsports, we're going to be working on this car, doing some things to it for him. Starting with, we're going to replace the Eaton on this car. We're going to put a ported blower on it. Try to aim for that 450 mark. We will be doing a flex fuel sensor, flex fuel tune via the 𝘠𝘭𝘪𝘯𝘬𝘭𝘪 that I'll also be installing. I'll be tuning it myself. Stay tuned on the channel if you guys want to see more videos on this car and restoring it back to its former glory. All right, guys, but why you clicked on today's video? This right here, if you guys haven't seen the previous video, is the 2.2 KB clapped Terminator, guys. This thing is immaculate. Right where we left it, seats out of my car. This car was a lot of fun to mess around with in the last video. We did some pulls on it. Had a good old time. Got it on the dyno, did some work to it, all that good stuff. But after those 3 or 4 pulls we did and the burnout, as shown right there, we kind of just stuck it right here and kind of let it rot. So I think today we're going to bring it out of its hole just because we can, and we are going to be doing some more ripping on it. But not just any kind of ripping. I think we're going to race old 2.2 Kenny Bell car against Mr. Cody's ported Eaton 𝘰𝘩𝘭𝘪𝘯𝘬 car. Quick overview. 2.2 Kenny Bell, roughly 19 pounds of boost, 3-inch upper, stock lower, 93 octane, stock engine management, 15 degrees of timing. That's look as hot as the 2.2, then it's like 14, 13, etc. Cody's car, 𝘠𝘭𝘪𝘯𝘬𝘭𝘪 𝘰𝘩𝑒5 ported blower. I think these two would be a fun race, considering this one's kind of max effort Eaton, very insignificant effort 2.2 Kenny Bell car. All right, so the only problem we have with Cody's cars today is that he's got some 𝘠𝘭𝘪𝘯𝘬𝘭𝘪s on this unit. And they look okay, but they're 285 𝘠𝘭𝘪𝘯𝘬𝘭𝘪s. They're not really designed for 580 torque, something like that. So if we try to do anything under probably like 60 or 70 or interstate rolls, he's just gonna blow tires off.
Blow tires off at 90.
Really?
Yeah, it rolls tires at 4.
Well, we're gonna yoink the rear tires off of 𝘠𝘭𝘪𝘯𝘬𝘭𝘪.
See something cool.
Something cool. All right, so let's see if the old Turdinator will even crank.
It does. They come out every fucking morning just.
I believe it.
What is that? Is that your wideband, dude?
Yeah, dude, that's the wideband.
What? That is so dumb, bro.
Can you get the exhaust clip for me?
Yeah, I got you. This thing's goofy.
We got the 2.2 Kenny Bell, 93 octane, stock lower, 3-inch upper. Car makes about 19 pounds of boost as per Andrew's dyno. If you want to see the dyno numbers and everything, because I really can't remember right now, go check out the previous video. Cody's car was in the ballpark of like 540. However, Cody's car makes a lot more torque than this thing does. His made like 580-ish torque. This thing made like 530-ish torque. So it's really kind of like horsepower, torque. That should be a really fun race. Again, his car's 𝘬𝘢𝘭𝘰𝘸 max effort Eaton, 𝘭𝘪𝘯𝘬𝘴, MS3. So everything a little bit better. It's gonna be a fun run. The one thing I did really miss and love about this car, and that makes me excited about what I'm gonna do, is the fact that the throttle's like really snappy, like really responsive.
Cause you got that 2.2 power. So fast for what it is. Yeah. Got the NOS going. Nitrous purge.
Yeah, dude, you ready for the purge, baby?
Yeah. Good run. Your rear seat popped out.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, we spun pretty good.
On that first run, I was covered in water out of nowhere, and I was fucking scared. I thought like we put coolant or something all over the place. But then he mentioned the back seat like fell out. All the water we're covered in is like moldy, gross, like rainwater that collects at the top.
He got you there. I think the Kenne belt's a little hot. Nope, Cody's got him.
1, 2, 3.
Yes, sir.
We got a battery light and it died over. We killed the belt. Not again! We killed a belt! I wanna
$74.5.
certified.
Oh, that's sick.
Gas belt ain't really. Yeah, it's kind of cooked. We threw another belt and we found out why. If you guys look down there, you'll see that is a plastic 6-rib idler. So that's why it keeps throwing belts. No bueno. What's funny is the back seat flew open like this, on the first race, and it spewed a little bit of water coming from the top because the top leaks out. It got all over the place. Kind of water worked the seats a little bit. I thought it blew a coolant hose or something, and it just dumped coolant all over us. All right, so the lady did not have the correct tools for the belt. But Andrew's improvising. Is this gonna work? No, but we're gonna try it. It'll work. It's so fucking hot everywhere.
What do you have to say about this?
I'm just glad it's not my car, man. Everybody made fun of, you know, the G37 for being an unreliable turd, but she's running just fine. Little dig off the light, dude?
We tried. God, that sounds fucking bright.
Every time I pull up the damn camera, bro.
Yeah, fucking great.
It has been a eventful day. Andrew's in there tearing apart his Redfire Terminator to put the new drivetrain in. Very exciting stuff. Go check that out on his channel. Terminators on Terminators.
Little lightning swap fire up.
Little lightning swap, cold start going on over there. The T2 car did pretty good for 2 runs, and then it died over. This thing is kind of a pile.
You're done.
Like and subscribe. Stick around for more Terminator-oriented content. Goodbye.